Hey, what's up guys? My name is Brent, aka B Bagel Flows, and today we are going to be talking about Kirby Wraps. These alternating Kirby Wraps, also called flower wraps. This is a trick that requires you to be very comfortable with the finger spin, and also requires you to push the star back and let it fold down on your hand. And you're kind of just pushing it back and forth each way. So to start, get a finger spin going with your dominant hand, and you're gonna have your index finger underneath the star, and with your non-dominant hand, take 3 fingers and you're going to clamp down on top. And so that moment when you clamp down on top with your non-dominant hand, the star is going to wrap around your finger that's doing the finger spin. And the next step in this trick is to get your fingers that are underneath the star that aren't doing the finger spin, okay, your thumb, middle ring, and pinky. You want to fold those fingers underneath where the star wraps down. So this is a demonstration of what my hand looks like underneath the star. My dominant hand has the finger spin, and then the rest of the fingers are almost acting like a rudder, pushing the star in the alternate direction after it gets underneath the wraps when your non-dominant hand clamps on top. This is what my hands look like when there's no Flowstar. Your dominant hand is kind of staying flat almost underneath the star as it wraps both sides. And then as long as your forearms can allow you, you can send this back and forth as many times as you want, because your non-dominant hand acts as a bit of an anchor for the finger spin on your dominant hand. And this is a super fun trick to do, and then you can also just go right back into a finger spin with it as well. If you're comfortable with finger spinning in both directions, you can send it the other way too. As you can see, I'm not quite with my outward finger spin right now, but thanks for watching, guys. If you have any other requests for tutorials, please put them in the comments down below. Don't remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.